Hi, I also want to be on camera.
Let this dog watch the house if humans want to be motivated to clean. When suddenly this dog remembered he missed the date with his crush. Helping clean the house is probably how he thanks her for his favorite treat.
What are you doing, buddy?
If you're curious about how an athlete who loves his job starts a new day, this boy's journey to invite his bestie to go out cannot be successful when discovered.
Stop it. Charlie. Charlie. Stop it. Charlie, go lay down.
When the door is an option, but puppy elevator is way cooler. People steer clear of giving dogs energy drinks. Turns out, it's for pretty good reasons. Who needs 4 legs when you can defy gravity with 2?
What did you do, Bert? What did you do? What'd you do?
I was just protecting the house from this green monster.
You're a monster.
Roscoe, you cannot have both. You need to share. You need to share.
Mom, I've been playing with this toy for just 3 hours.
No. You need to share.
What if someone tells him that water will save him hundreds of dollars on skincare? Being the center of attention is so simple when skateboarding is his natural talent.
Really fetch. No, fetch.
Difficulties at work are nothing when this father has an extremely enthusiastic supporter like this.
Bring it. Good boy.
Typically, Capricorns hate being late for work, but juggle personal stuff anyway. Puppy's secret to pure joy is simply just hitting the dog park every day, rain or shine. He definitely sneaked out for late night dates from Mom's walk. Do you notice that he's turning himself into a hot dog? Roll and roll. You know, it's always a tough pill to swallow to accept you have outgrown last year's size.
Oh my god.
When joy is ahead, you feel like obstacles vanish like magic. Literally. We got a newbie masseuse, not a pro yet, but hey, potential's there. What's the deal with weightlifting for dogs versus humans? Wait till the end to find out the difference.
There you go. Whoa! What are you doing, boy?
OMG, why did my father think I could absorb this suspicious green thing?
Stealing an item from this boy must be the most difficult challenge. What happens when two opponents with the same level participate in the same game? It seems this puppy had an exciting underwater trip in his dream. When the skateboarding champion was asked to prove his ability, the first thing to do when someone says there is a treasure under the ground.
Whiskey.
Important signs when someone has a crush. Getting a free bath is a valuable opportunity no one wants to miss.
Hey ma'am, I know you enjoyed those leaves, but can you leave them outside, please? Thank you.
You have to be so gentle.
Do you believe it? I've finally been waiting for this moment to happen.
Oh.
Officer, I didn't steal anything, I swear.
It seems like this boy's KPI today is to complete 10 kilometers of jogging. Top 1 bounding activities always happen when their parents are away from home. Don't forget to buy candy to comfort this scared soul.
Sorry, Mom, but I have something very important right now. Goodbye.
Really?
To keep it fair in hide and seek, dogs won't do nose cheating. Pet parent tip. Don't spill about the smart gadgets at home. They're curious minds, you know? Believe it or not, the genius behind a masterpiece might wield the most unexpected tool.
It's time to eat. I repeat, it's time to eat. Go get me some treat, human.
Right over here, we've got a real heavyweight rival of Sonic the Hedgehog. Real expressions and decisive moves are the keys to joining the dog biz. Sometimes, height doesn't matter as you think. It's the muscle power that takes the throne. Younger sisters love sneaking into older sisters' stuff, even after being warned. It's a siblings thing.
Love you, Mr. Bubs. You love me too?
When a dog growls while getting kisses but doesn't stop you, it's his sneaky way of enjoying it.
Yeah, I got you. I got this on camera.
Ese tiene que estar en el piso. No, este, mira, este.
This dog's teeth cannot resist two things. First is food, and second is spoiled hands.
Get out of there. Oh, there's his head out the top. What are you doing up there?
A safe place can ensure absolute privacy for introvert.
Get out of the tree.
Imagine it falls over the tree.
Up there.
Looks like someone needs to lose weight. There's no need to work for food when this boy has an endless supply of free bread. This is definitely an outfit that every dog should have. The use of this raincoat seemed to have lost its effectiveness when applied to him.
The door is here.
This dog must confuse the scope of work of the bodyguard and the family boss.
What are you watching? You watching your favorite show?
Don't forget to reward this enthusiastic guard.
He's crying. He actually has tears in his eyes.
This boy will definitely prepare a speech to present this greatness.
Fuck off.
Mom, you might have forgotten something.
No te mueras, mi amor. No te mueras, Nala, no, por favor. No, Nala, no te mueras, no. Nala.
With these talented four-legged actors, each day's a new play with them. Never a dull moment. When you've claimed it as your fave spot, it's tough to leave. So this makes sense, right? It seems that dogs are pros at transforming any household item into their very own fashion statement. Children are all about extremes. Play hard, nap harder. That's the way it goes. Every naughty and fearless pup has that one instigator, and you know who it is, right? Reuniting with your true love, the excitement is just hard to hide.
Ay, Mia. Mia, look at me. What are you doing?
I want my sib to be adventurous like me, so I do this. Introducing one of the most interesting games that dogs love.
Since I am done walking, it's switch-up time for my ride.
Since this game is quiet, I'll bring my lo-fi growl. Gotta keep the vibe alive, right?
Oh my God! Mom, you should look at this!
¿Qué es?
Nature provides us with such a bunch of goodies, including those natural colorful clothes. Gotta admit, sometimes the toy is cat-themed, but the star player isn't even a cat. Hey, why's this joint loaded with free ice cream? And got that natural flavor too. When mom finally gets you that long-desired thing, excitement is just impossible to hide, right?
Che stai facendo? Me lo spieghi che stai facendo? Me lo spieghi che stai facendo? Non è possibile!
Jack, ¿te parece bonito? ¿Cómo es eso abrir la bolsa y empezar a comer de la bolsa como si fuese un perro muerto de hambre que nadie te da de comer?
When you ask a dog how to win a game of hide and seek,
Stay on my lap. Hey, bye-bye.
Even hooked up to the leash. Come on, you don't even have a collar on. Let's go. Come inside. Come on. Come inside.
Do you think you're on the leash? Or your imaginary leash? All right, let's go. I've never in my life.
Yushka.
Who's that? Sorry, please wait a moment.
have a good day.